Okay, welcome back to yet again another tutorial for the batch program. This one's going to be short and sweet. It's the create drawings button. Not a whole lot of surprises there. I've found that when having an assembly with 100 parts that you need to create drawings for, it's rather tedious. And so in this case, it's only going to be working obviously with the parts that don't have drawings, which are the gray ones in my case. I'll just choose those. I'm not going to worry about the rest of them, but this will open up the individual part into your default template. I've got some prompted entries here. I'll just skip that for fun. And then it tries to guess the size of the part and scale it appropriately. It's not always bang on, especially with long skinny parts, but it's been pretty good for me. And obviously, it's not smart to realize that hey, this is a square and these views are exactly the same. But at least it does speed things up with placing things in, so you can just add your dimensions later, not have to do all your views. But everything will be base view, top, side, ISO, and everything will be scaled appropriately, or hopefully appropriately, and at least hopefully save you some time there. Again, not a whole lot of surprises, pretty straightforward, um, but I've still found it fairly useful. So let me know if you find that to be useful or not. Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.